Hi and welcome to this beautiful property overlooking the water in Drummoyne, New South Wales that has recently installed the Flex 68 SS Firebox. This gorgeous fireplace was designed and installed by Webb's Joinery. The fireplace was placed within a wall unit with a TV above recessed in a niche with light-colored porcelain slabs. The Flex series fireboxes feature a black steel fireplace cavity that integrates the ethanol burner at the base. The cladding materials are supposed to go all the way to the viewing area of the appliance, which will give a low-profile character. A fixed glass is also included sitting flush with the opening of the fireplace. The glass panel is simply installed in U-slots located at the base of the Flex firebox. The fire screen assists in stabilizing the flame and adds a lovely reflective element to the appliance. In order to refill your burner, simply place the energy bottle with the fuel nozzle into the filling section in front. The ethanol fuel flow should stop when you reach the maximum volume capacity. To turn on, use the lighting rod and lighter supplied to you inside your burner kit. Use the hook of the lighting rod to catch the latch of the lid and flip it to open. Dip the lighting rod in the fuel, light it with a lighter and drop it back into the burner. It will take up to 15 minutes for the flame to build up as the stainless steel of your burner has to warm up. To turn off the flame, simply use the same rod and flip the lid the other way around. There you have it, a simple and elegant feature that will create a new gathering point in your property. Feel free to get in touch with us if you have any questions regarding our Flex fireplaces. Have a great day!